everyone, it's Gabi from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today's Kia class is all about high beam assist. We're shedding some light on it. We're going to give you the what, when, why, and how. So essentially, I'm going to talk about what it is, how it works, and how you can enable it or disable it on your Kia Hyundai vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, so first things first, I'm going to ask and answer the question, what is it? So essentially, it's the utilization of your high beams, except it's completely automated. What you want to do is turn the system on, which keep watching this video, I'll show you how you do it, and it is going to utilize the camera that's located in the very center of your windscreen to monitor what's happening around you. So let's say you're driving on a dark country road, your vehicle will turn on its high beams. If another vehicle enters the area and your camera picks it up, those high beams will shut off until it's safe to turn them back on again. What makes Kia and Hyundai a little bit different with their system is it also works for ambient lighting. So if a majority of your drive was in a dark countryside, but then you enter the city, it's also going to shut off your high beams then. The benefit of this is it's convenient. You don't have to worry about, dang, did I forget to turn on my high beams? And you're not going to be one of those drivers that's constantly being flashed at because you're burning other people's eyeballs. Now let's talk about how we can turn it on or off. All right, so now we are behind the wheel of our Kia that's equipped with high beam assist. Disregard all the warning lights. This vehicle is being ran but without the engine on, so it automates to have all its warning lights on. Okay, now that we're behind the wheel, you're going to go to your light stock. Doesn't matter if you're driving an EV, plug-in hybrid, or a regular gas car, same idea. Right now it's on our full headlight system. Doesn't matter what your fog lights are doing too. But what you're going to do is drop this down into auto. So you can see, got our headlights on there. And now I'm going to push our light stock forward, so towards the screen. Once I've pushed it, you'll see we have auto showcased in white. That means, of course, the high beams are not on right now because, again, it's a smart system and there is a ton of light in our video bay. However, once I were to drive somewhere at nighttime or somewhere dark enough, that would turn green and, of course, my high beams would be on. But let's say you want your regular high beams on, you don't want to deal with auto, you want them on yourself. You're going to push this again forward, and now you have that familiar blue lamp on. Perfect. Okay, and you may be asking, what if I want to flash someone? You know, warn somebody, thank somebody, allow someone to pass in. Same idea, you're going to pull your light stock towards you. So just like that, and those are traditional flashes that you're used to. Super easy to use. Again, you just want to go to auto, push it forwards, you'll get that auto function. If you ever want to turn it off, switch your light stock to something else, and then right back to auto, now it's gone. I hope this video helps. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of our videos for more Kia and Hyundai tips and tricks.